Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will make a review on one of my most favorite product, that is the Dr. Earth Lip and Cheek Tint. So I've been using this product since past few months and the results that I've received from this product is mind blowing. So in today's video I will be sharing with you guys all the minor details about this product. So keep watching this video till the end. So the thing that I like the most about this product is that it looks completely natural on your skin. So when you apply it on your cheeks and lips, it gives you a very nice flush of colors, and it just didn't look like any artificial blush that you buy from the market. So that is a really good thing about this particular product. So the another thing that makes it completely different from other blush and tints that you buy from the market is that it's a complete plant-based product. It's vegan and cruelty free, so you don't need to be worried about that whether it contains any harsh chemicals like parabens and phthalates. So it's completely free from that. So let me tell you, the best thing about this product is that you can use it with or without makeup. Sometimes there are days when you don't feel like apply a lot of makeup or doing any makeup, you just want to keep it natural. So all you need is this lip and cheek tint. All you're going to do is do your skincare regimen and apply a little amount of this product on the apple of your cheeks and some on your lips, and then you're good to go. Problem with all those blushes is that they can only be used when you have done all the steps of your makeup, but this lip and cheek tint has made everything a way more easier for me. So that is the reason what makes it completely different from all the blushes out there in the market. So whenever I feel like going all natural, or when I'm in a rush but also needs to lit up my face or glow up my face a little, all I do is apply my moisturizer and take a little amount of this lip and cheek tint, and then I'm good to go. It just literally lifts up my whole face in an instant and looks all natural, especially on the cheek. So as of now I have not done any makeup now. I just put a moisturizer on my face, so I think it's the best time to show you guys how it looks on my face with no makeup on. So this is how much of product I've used so far. Today I will be using my fingers in order to blend this, but it's never too late to use a brush instead to blend this out. So let me just quickly show you a quick swatch of this tint. Then I'm going to quickly apply a little amount on my cheeks, and then later I'm going to dab it on my cheeks in order to blend this out. So as you can see, within just a few seconds my whole face literally lights up and it looks quite glowing, and it's also looking natural at the same time. And I'm so glad that I shared this video with you guys. The only thing that I might not like about this product, that it's a little bit on the drier side, so it's not at all moisturizing at all. So if you have dry and chapped lips like me, so you first have to apply a lip balm before that in order to make it working for your lip. So that is the only issue that I've got from this product so far, and that it makes your lips dry, and it also make your lip lines to appear more visible. So it's not at all moisturizing at all. So I hope that the brand could fix this issue, and moreover I will be repurchasing this product since it works fine for my face. So another thing I forgot to mention is that I bought it from Myntra and it cost me around 800 rupees, which I think is great for a product that is completely natural, and also the quantity as well as the quality that you're getting from the brand is really good. So that is it all about Dr. Earth Lip and Cheek Tint. I hope you guys really find this product worthy for spending your money on, because I really do. So that's take us to the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching the review of Dr. Earth Lip and Cheek Tint. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.